what is very important skill that is inside of you, and that is very important for your success in your online business, and that is tenacity. Tenacity is when you are still doing your job, doing your work, when the hurdles show up, when the obstacles show up. That is tenacity. Tenacity is when you keep going and going, and you are never stopping. You are unstoppable. That is tenacity. Tenacity is being persistent and consistent even in the face of adversity, and you are being consistent. When the obstacles appear, you are not going to lose confidence in yourself that is something is wrong with me, or my business is not good for other people, or I am not able to help them. You are not going to think like that. Tenacity is when the hurdles show up, you are standing on your feet with confidence and saying that I'm here to help people, I can do that, and I am the leader people are looking for. You are not looking back or looking left or right, that you are losing your confidence when hurdles show up, that you're going to think your business is not the right opportunity you are doing. You are not going to think like that. Tenacity is when you are confident of yourself, you keep going and going, and you are doing all the activities that are going to take your business to the next level. So for tenacity, I am going to give you 3 important tips how you can be more tenacious. So 3 C's I'm gonna say, that is number 1 is courage, number 2 is confidence, and number 3 is choices. So hi again friends, right now I do not see your names. If you comment, then I can see your names, but welcome to my live. And right now we are talking about very important skill for your success in your business, and that is called tenacity. Tenacity is inside of you. You do not have to go and learn from any book or from any coach or from anything outside of you. Tenacity is inside of you. You have to just look inside and you are going to find it there. Just tenacity is when you keep going even in the face of obstacles and hurdles. So how to stay tenacious? There are 3 tips, 3 C's: courage, confidence, and choices. So courage, you need courage to keep going. Right now I am thirsty, but it is too cold. I do not want to drink water. It is snowing outside, so I have my green tea here. So courage, you need courage to keep going. Confidence comes from courage, and courage comes from doing things. So this is all interrelated. When you have the courage to do things, then you get the confidence, and when you have the confidence, you make the right choices, and when you make the right choices, then you are going forward in your business, you are having success, you are seeing all the results. So when you see the obstacles, when you see the hurdles, you are not going to stop. You are going to be courageous, and you are going to do the things that are money producing activities in your business. You are not going to stop. So that is going to give you confidence, and that is going to give you boost to keep going. So I'm going to give you one example that is about myself. The other day I had done a post, and I usually go in few groups, and so that I can help the people inside the group who are interested in my content. So I put the post inside the group, and couple of people were interested in what I was posting, and they responded to me. And one person was responding that he is interested, and I gave him the link for the opportunity to go to the link and check it out, and that was for a free webinar, that was free masterclass, and I gave him the link. and he was inside the webinar with me, and he showed that he is really interested and he wants to learn everything. And after the webinar finish, and prospecting tip is you get to ask the person how ready they are to start after they show that interest, that they like the presentation. So I proceeded to the next step and I asked how ready you are from a scale of 1 to 10, and he says his answer was blunt. It was not a clear answer, but before he was showing all the interest that he is interested. So after that he start pitching me, he start sending me link, and I was thinking very funny. You cannot even make your own post so that somebody will be interested in your content and will be answering you, will be attracted to you. You cannot even make your own post. You are going to pitch me on my own post. That is very, very funny. So I thought this guy needs to learn a lot about attraction marketing. He needs to learn a lot about online marketing. That is very, very funny, and it was funny at the same time. It was very, very annoying to me too, and that is like wasting your time when you are showing that you are interested, and after even watching the webinar and presentation, and you are going to pitch me back. Basically, I guess his motive was to learn how I am prospecting and what I am doing, and how I am getting all the comments on my post, and how people are responding to me. Basically, I thought his main purpose was to learn all this. But these kind of people and these kind of prospects, they are going to show up. So you are not going to lose your confidence, you are not going to lose your courage, you are going to keep going. So these type of prospects, they are going to be there when you are helping out people. There are gonna be hurdles, there are gonna be obstacles, there are gonna be sometimes there are gonna be insurmountable obstacles, but you get to still keep going, and that is called tenacity. So hey guys, when you are watching replay, let me know that you are getting value from my live, and type hashtag, and do let me know that you got value from my video. And if anybody wants me to talk about any topic, just drop in the comment section, and I would love to go live with that topic. Sometime I want to go live, and usually I do not have a topic ready, then I do not go live. Usually I like going live, and if you guys have any topic, I would love to go on live on that when I have topic ready. So today today that is my experience I wanted to talk about on this live. So be tenacious, be persistent, and be consistent even in the face of hurdles and obstacles. So that is my message for today, and I have a snowstorm to deal with. So let me know where are you guys watching me from, so that I can give you a shout out. And usually I go back and check and I say hi to everybody. Hey friend. So that is it from my side, people. Have a great day everyone, and stay warm and cozy. If you are getting snow, we are getting a lot of snow. It looks like it's all gray and it is pouring down. So I will finish over here and see you again with next live, and bye bye everybody. And one more thing I forgot to tell you, go and download 3 steps Facebook marketing PDF on my page. When you click send message, you are going to get the download right away. You do not have to opt in or put in your email. You can just click the button and download 3 steps marketing PDF with loads of tips like this I just gave out. So see you again. Bye. Have a great day everyone.